So now it's time to install the drive screw on the cross slide. This is a drive screw. It's been turned down at each end to fit inside a 1/4-inch tube. And that belongs here. And a left-hand screw. And we'll just use fingers to feed it through the drive nut until it sticks out a little bit. Now is the perfect time to adjust the backlash nut. So, use a little truncated Allen wrench and crank it down until it's just finger tight. Alright, it's starting to bite. That seems good. Next comes a brass collar and a brass washer on the brass tube, and is installed thusly. I'll feed the screw in until the collar goes down to the turned down part to hit the real threads. Okay, there the collar hits the real threads, and we can crank that down. Got it nice and tight. And now continue to feed the screw in until the tube goes through the hole in the fiberglass case onto which the motor mounts. Now we can go ahead and just shove this forward until it hits. Next, 2 brass washers. Now this beautiful flex coupler that I got from IMSRV. I don't think I could make a part any nicer than that. And the price was good too. I'm very happy with that. Notice that the screws are off the center line. Now we'll insert the X wrench through the 1/4-inch holes in the bottom of the box. Get it into the set screw there. Holding the collars snugly together, we'll crank that socket head cap screw down to lock up the drive screw nice and tight. And now we can mount the motor into the flex coupler. Some nice screws. Make sure that's in its little socket. Press fit screws in. Washers are already on, so we just need some lock washers. And some nuts. And to tighten up the collar on the motor, find the screw. Crank it down. Nice tight. That flex coupler really is a nice looking part. Alrighty.